Hello, it's Miguel here. It's dinner time. It's very special. We're gonna share it with everyone in a platter. What about a Nicoise salad? But how we can put it on a platter? Voila! Put it on a skewer. On guard. We got a lovely fish, nice potatoes, lovely vegetables. We're going to grill it. All of that in the skewer, make it really nice and pretty. Get a knife, potatoes are already cooked. Very, very simple, cut them in half. And Nicoise salad is the best on Nice. So we're gonna put a beautiful olive now. These guys, they're really, really tasty. Start to look amazing. Spanish onions. So we'll use a little bit of the layer of the Spanish onion just to cover the swordfish. Maybe one of these beautiful stems of the zucchini flowers. Stunning. Check this out. Oh! Cherry tomato as well. And what we're gonna do, a really hot grill, a little bit of olive oil, salt and pepper. And while this is grilling, we're gonna make the quickest salsa verde in the world. So now, the grill is nice and smoky. A little drizzle of olive oil, a little splash of cherry vinegar, just a little bit of bittersweet, salt and pepper, and straight into the grill. Oh, I'm gonna start speaking French. Oh, and just keep doing all the skewers. Bam, bam, because the potatoes are cooked, and you want the swordfish to be almost a little bit raw in the middle. So it's really nice and tender. Now, while that's cooking, I'm gonna work in the quickest salsa verde. A little bit of parsley, some chili. Let's put the volume up, it's nighttime. Green olives, really simple. Olive oil, cherry vinegar, let's turn them around. So in 1 minute, you can see the tomato is exploding, the potato is getting color, and you know what's happening inside? Everyone is so hungry. Oh, look at the one with the zucchini flower. Just a little tickle, little drizzle. Oh, stop it. More seasoning. And straight into the plate. All we have to do now is finish the salsa verde and drizzle it on top. Olive oil is gonna combine it all together for that Spanish personality. Season, and the mint leaves for freshness. Now, yum! Absolutely amazing. Check this out. Salsa verde means green sauce. So the herbs are the body, but we put a little bit of olives and chili. You're gonna go beautiful with the swordfish. Just before you serve it, just brush. Oh, this is brilliant. Who is hungry? My beautiful swordfish Nicoise skewers with salsa verde. That's what I call a platter for dinner. That's what I call a winner for everyone. For recipes like this and plenty more, have a look at our website, stockland.com.au/Miguel. Who's coming for dinner?